In this presentation, we're diving into the world of ETL and data pipelines. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. It is all about building efficient data workflows for modern systems. So, what exactly is ETL? The process can be broken down into three key steps. First, extract, which involves collecting data from various sources. Second, transform, cleaning and processing the data so it is ready for analysis. And third, load, storing the processed data in a target system such as a data warehouse. ETL processes pull data from a variety of sources. This includes databases, files of different formats, application programming interfaces or APIs, streaming data sources, cloud storage solutions, various applications, Internet of Things devices, and even other analytics platforms. Let's examine the extract phase in more detail. This code snippet provides an example of extracting data from a database using Python. We first import the pandas and scicop2 libraries. We then establish a connection to the database using connection parameters like the host and database name. Finally, we use the pandas library to execute a structured query language query to select all records from the orders table and load into a data frame. Now let's look at the transform phase. This phase includes data cleaning and data processing. Data cleaning involves steps like removing duplicate records, handling missing values, fixing incorrect data types, and validating data formats. Data processing includes aggregations, filtering, joining and merging data sets, and performing calculations. Here is an example of a transformation pipeline. In this Python code, the function transform_data takes a data frame as input, removes any duplicate rows, fills missing values with 0, and adds a new column called total that is calculated by multiplying the price and quantity columns. The transformed data frame is then returned. Finally, the load phase focuses on loading the transformed data into a data warehouse. This code snippet shows how to load data into a warehouse. We begin by importing the create engine function from the SQL Alchemy library. Then we create a database connection engine using a connection string that includes the database type, username, password, host, and database name. Lastly, the transformed data is loaded into a table named processed_orders. If the table already exists, it will be replaced. Here is a typical data pipeline architecture. First, we have multiple data sources feeding data into the pipeline. The processing layer performs the ETL transformations and validation. And finally, the processed data is stored in a centralized data warehouse for analytics. A wide range of tools and technologies are available for building ETL pipelines. These tools can be broadly categorized into enterprise tools and cloud and open source tools. Enterprise tools include Informatica, Talend, Structured Query Language Server Integration Services, and DataStage. Cloud and open source tools include Apache Airflow, Amazon Web Services Glue, Apache Spark, and Data Build Tool. When building ETL pipelines, there are several best practices to keep in mind. For process design, this includes incremental loading, robust error handling, thorough data validation, and comprehensive monitoring and logging. To optimize performance, use parallel processing, optimize structured query language queries, schedule batch processing appropriately, and manage resources efficiently. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.